Canubing National High School, TIL Computer Systems Servicing, Third Quarter Video Tutorial Project, SCI, 2022-2023. Methods and termination and connections according to job specification. A clamp is a fastening device used to hold or secure objects tightly together to prevent movement or separation through the application of inward pressure. A screw clamp is a tool designed to join or hold two or more objects firmly together. It uses a screw mechanism to adjust its jaws and clamp a workpiece in. Professional hose clamp pliers, repair tool swivel flat band for removal and installation of ring type or flat band hose, clamps, carbon steel 4.5. An insulation displacement contact, also known as insulation piercing contact, is an electrical connector designed to be connected to the conductor of an insulated cable by a connection process which terminal blocks increase safety by grounding, isolating, and protecting the other components in the electrical circuit. Accommodate organized instruments for the purposes of detection, measurement, indication, monitoring, protection, control, and management of process energy in action. The insulation properties in the ring terminal provide a barrier from extreme heat and cold and protects from dust, debris, and corrosion, so the wire connection can stand up to use for long periods of time.